tomato a miracle in your skincare and beauty? Hello, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of tomatoes and their miraculous benefits for your skin. From whitening to toning, reducing acne to moisturizing, tomatoes have truly earned their place as nature's skincare elixir. Stick around as we explore the 9 amazing miracles that tomatoes can perform on your skin. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more beauty insights. Let's get started. Segment 1. All-in-one solution for skin problems. Tomatoes are a versatile solution for various skin issues. Loaded with lycopene, antioxidants, and essential vitamins like A, C, and K, they become a nutritional powerhouse for your skin. This article highlights the myriad benefits of tomatoes, covering everything from reducing tan to preventing excess oil and acne problems. The nutrient-rich composition of tomatoes helps repair and clarify the skin, making them an invaluable addition to your skincare routine. Segment 2. Tomato for face whitening. Unlock the secrets of tomatoes as a potent face whitening agent, harnessing the extraordinary power of antioxidants and vitamin C. These natural components not only combat blemishes, but also act as a shield against the daily wear and tear your skin faces. Dive into the transformative world of a simple tomato mask, a skincare marvel that not only hydrates and brightens, but also stands as a formidable defense against pigmentation, roughness, and stubborn dark spots. Delve deeper into the science behind how tomatoes enhance skin radiance and contribute to an even skin tone. Whether you're dealing with uneven pigmentation or just seeking that elusive healthy glow, incorporating tomatoes into your beauty routine might just be the radiant solution you've been searching for. Segment 3. Reducing sunburn effects. Tomatoes emerge as a natural remedy to counteract the harsh aftermath of sun exposure, leveraging their rich reserves of vitamin C and A. Beyond merely enhancing your skin's youthfulness and fairness, tomatoes become a formidable ally in alleviating the distressing effects of sunburn. Delve into the art of creating a rejuvenating tomato juice and buttermilk spray, a concoction designed not only to calm the skin, but also to significantly lower its temperature. Explore the intricate balance of ingredients that, when combined, work synergistically to reduce redness caused by sunburn, offering a soothing respite for those who have faced the discomfort of sun exposure rashes. Uncover the science behind this natural remedy, understanding how the properties of tomatoes contribute to the restoration of skin health after sun-induced stress. Segment 4. Tomatoes as a sugar scrub. Get hands-on with a homemade sugar scrub that incorporates the goodness of tomatoes. This scrub, blending tomatoes with lemons, mint leaves, and sugar, becomes a powerful exfoliant, cleanser, and tan remover. Explore how incorporating this scrub into your routine can naturally nourish your skin, leaving it refreshed and revitalized. Segment 5. Tomato as a skin toner. Uncover the significance of using tomatoes as a natural skin toner. Learn a quick recipe to create a refreshing toner by combining cucumber and tomato juice. Understand how this toner not only makes your skin flexible and silky, but also moisturizes it organically, providing a natural glow. Discover the organic lycopene in tomatoes that can make your skin look younger in just minutes. Segment 6. Acne and pimple reduction. For those seeking a natural, chemical-free way to combat pimples and acne, tomatoes come to the rescue. Delve into how the acidity of tomato juice aids acne, thanks to its antiseptic and antifungal properties. Learn how the high content of vitamins A and C in tomatoes makes them an effective solution for acne-prone skin. Segment 7. Skin pores tightened. Explore the skin cleansing power of tomato juice, acting as a potent cleanser that tightens large pores and prevents debris and oil buildup. Understand how incorporating this simple step into your daily routine can lead to reduced pores and an even skin complexion. Witness the transformative effects of tomatoes on achieving smoother, tighter skin. Segment 8. Tomatoes for skin moisturizing. Discover the potential of tomatoes in moisturizing dry skin. While standard treatments involve various lotions and creams, some advocate for the application of tomato juice. Understand the richness of potassium in tomatoes and explore whether applying tomato juice topically can provide similar benefits to a conventional moisturizer. Segment 9. Face mask for overnight magic. Unveil the astringent properties of tomatoes, recommended for acne-prone skin. Explore the magic of applying a combination of raw milk and tomatoes as an overnight face mask. Learn the step-by-step process, from cutting the fruit to applying the mixture. Understand how this simple yet effective overnight mask can contribute to acne reduction and the recovery of dark spots. Segment 10. Is applying tomato on the face good or bad? While tomatoes are widely considered excellent for the skin, it's essential to understand their application's frequency and potential drawbacks. Explore the side effects of applying tomatoes to the face, including itchiness, peeling, burning, and stinging. Gain insights into when and how tomatoes should be used to avoid adverse reactions, especially for individuals with sensitive or allergic skin. There you have it, folks. The incredible journey into the world of tomato beauty magic. From face whitening to acne reduction, tomatoes have proven to be a natural wonder for our skin. Remember to use them wisely, considering your skin type and sensitivity. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the miracles of tomatoes, give us a thumbs up and share your tomato beauty experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, embrace the natural magic of tomatoes and let your skin glow. Bye for now.